What's up everybody, this is Julia and welcome to my channel. This week is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be necessarily any advice, but it's going to be more of how to make some money. And today is how to make money in 2020. And I have 8 passive income ideas for you. We're going to get straight to the point. It's going to be short and sweet, and hopefully you can get right out there and start making you some bread. No money scheme involved, okay? Because we no circle blessings, no little pyramid schemes, no recruiting 64 people so 204 can lose their little whatever money, whatever. I don't care.
You're gone and I gotta stay high all the time.
Number 1 on my list, I have to create an information product or an ebook. And basically, if you know how to do any skill fairly well or really well especially, you can literally teach courses online. I know, like not Amazon, like Kindle and stuff, they have where you can write ebooks, and you can write them online and just post them. You can start a blog, all of that. If you know how to do something well, you can sell your information. Number 2, class notes. If you're a good note taker, like one of them good like highlight especially, you can make, oh Lord, you know people be paying $300 for a set of college notes. $300. Yeah, so if you take good notes, I would definitely look into selling them to upcoming freshmen or whatever the case may be, upcoming whoever, okay? Because what you need them for anyways, you already graduated or you already passed that class, you don't need them no more. Why not make you some money off of them? Number 3, especially right now, this is probably the best job to get some extra coins. Uber or Lyft. We can't go nowhere. So most families, people are scared to death. They don't want to leave their house. Almost everybody is ordering food to go. They want it to be delivered. This goes under like Uber Eats, but whatever. I think that's Uber Eats actually. Is Uber and Uber Eats the same? Yeah, they're the same thing. They go the same. Anyways, but as soon as this quarantine's over, people are always needing Uber drivers on the weekends when they want to go drink. And that's just a little something extra to do if you have free time on your hands. Number 4 is investing and Forex. Right now it's not really, everybody's kind of scared about the stock market because of everything that's going on, but Forex is this foreign exchange, investment company with like money from different countries and stuff. I'm actually trying to look into that right now for myself personally, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna literally, I watched all the videos and they all talk about like joining like groups, and I was like, this is a scam. I don't need to join no group. I can learn how to do it on my own. Yeah, I forgot that my IQ is like a 3, so you know, I'm probably gonna have to join one of these groups that say they're a scam, because I don't think they're a scam, and I really do want to learn how to do it because people have been making thousands, even millions of dollars over a select period of time off of this system, okay? Foreign exchange money ain't going nowhere. Money ain't going nowhere. Number 5 is affiliate marketing. Basically, if you promote a product, promote a company, promote anything, promote swimwear, all of the above, like any of that, you can basically get paid for it. There's several places that have affiliate programs all over Instagram, small businesses, big businesses, almost all of them have affiliate programs. I know Amazon has an affiliate program where you can just try out products. Basically what they're gonna do is they're gonna give you a link. When you have your readers or followers or whoever click on these links and buy these products that you're promoting, these affiliates, they're either going to give you a discount off the product or they're going to pay you commission. So say one of your readers or your followers clicks on the link and buys the product, and most of these affiliate programs will give you commission anywhere from 2 to 10%, but let's say for this example that they give you 10%. And this person buys this product that's $100 and you get paid 10% commission. You just got $10 off them clicking off the link and buying that product, all because of your word of mouth of promoting whatever it is. $10 might not seem like a lot, but imagine if 2, 3, 4, 5 people did it. That's $50 that you just made by just opening your mouth and suggesting something, or just typing a few words and suggesting something. So write that one down. Number 6, create a mobile app. If you don't really necessarily know how, you can watch YouTube videos, because like I love to say, there is a YouTube video for everything. And if you think I'm lying, think of the craziest thing you've ever thought of, type it in, and I guarantee you there's a YouTube video. Unless it's just unethical, then that's probably not on YouTube, that's probably on the dark web. But anyway, if you have enough money and you don't feel like taking the tedious time to learn how to necessarily do it, you can always hire a programmer. There's an app called like Glassdoor, I think that's what it's called. It's something like that, and it's where there's tons of freelancers that you can hire for various prices, and they can make a mobile app for you. If you have an idea and you want to turn it into a mobile app, I definitely suggest going for it, because the App Store is not going nowhere, because App Store is ran by Apple and Apple is going Nowhere. Number 7 is to become a freelancer. Basically, any skill that you have, you can become a freelancer for it. Like, you can become a freelance artist, a freelance painter, a freelance photographer, a freelance makeup artist. I don't know if you can become a freelance accountant. I'm sure you can, like, help people with their budgeting. I'm sure that's a thing. But anyway, you're only gonna make as much money as your skills are worth. So basically, any skill you have, you can turn into a freelance and freelance for it, like a freelance graphic design, all of the above, all of the etc. So I suggest doing that too if you're really good at a skill, especially a programmer. Say you know how to make a mobile app. I guarantee you, there's people out there that don't become a freelance programmer. You know what I'm saying? Money is endless. Okay, you just gotta want to go get it. And last but not least, number 8, rent out rooms for Airbnb. I know people that have literally paid off their rent from just renting out their rooms 2 times a month. Right now, I don't know if Airbnb is available because of the COVID-19 or whatever, but when this is over, I highly suggest if you plan on going out of town, looking into this Airbnb stuff, because you could go out of town, rent your apartment, get $300 for leaving town. And if you have an even bigger space, like an extra house, half your house, you can rent a whole unit, half a unit, just a room, all of that stuff. I definitely suggest you checking into Airbnb. You get to set all the limits you want, like on where they can go, can't go, how many nights they can't stay. And the only cons that I think about it is like, now then people will forever know where you stay, and then what if they come back? So you might want to change your codes and stuff. That's the only thing, because you know I think about the worst always. But yeah, so that basically wraps up my video. That was my 8 passive income ideas on how to make money in 2020, and I hope that you at least wrote one down, because the money ain't going nowhere. You gotta want to go get it, and you gotta go get it. Okay, once you're determined that you're gonna make some money, you're gonna make some money, boo. Yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
Dolce and Gabbana, Fendi and